First of all, open your game or experience in Roblox Studio. Now, click on File and click on Save to Roblox As. Here, click on Create New Experience and type your name. I'm typing John, for example. And here we can say Team Create. So must enable this Team Create option from here. Then click on Save. And once done, you can close. And now at the top right corner, we can see Manage Collaborators icon. Just click on this. And now click on this Add Users and Groups box. And here you will find all your connections or friends from your Roblox. Just select the user whom you want to add to your Roblox game. You can also search by their name from here. So I'm selecting these connection. You can add multiple connections just like this. Now click this permission drop down and here you can choose playtest, can playtest this game only, or you can choose edit, can playtest and edit this game. So in my case I'm selecting playtest and clicking on save. And this is how we can actually add someone in our Roblox Studio.